Hey guys, it's back to school time and I want to talk about lunch packing. I love lunch packing. Whether you're working from home, whether you're staying at home, whether you're going into the office or you're sending a kid in, packing and preparing a lunch will help you eat the things that you know you need to be eating, staying in a carb range or calorie range if that's something you're trying to do, and really make sure you get in all the foods that you need to. So I swear by these bento boxes. They go by a lot of names, but for the kids, I just love these because it really helps me focus on what items I want to send for lunch. So let's just assume I'm doing a half sandwich. My kids love peanut butter and jelly, sun butter and jam, ham and cheese, that kind of thing. I know exactly how many carbs are in that. Well, then I'm going to try to fill the other squares with the things that I want them to get that I know they also like. So I've measured out and I know that this cup is exactly 15 carbs of grapes. So I'm going to do a fruit and a vegetable in the top. So I'm going to do her 15 carbs worth of grapes. I know that this is half a cup or 2 carbs worth of cucumbers. So I'm doing a higher carb fruit, a lower carb veggie. Trying to make it pretty and put lots of colors in there. And then I always give them something that I know they like that's a snack food with their lunch, but this is, I've measured them out. So I know that these pretzel sticks are exactly 20 carbs worth of pretzels. So I'm gonna put the pretzel sticks in there. I've measured those out. So I've got the right amount in advance. So that made it easy. I just scooped it, knew how many were in this container. I've got my 20 carbs for the pretzels. And then I like to sneak a small dessert item, a single cookie. These are great because they're these small Rice Krispie treats that are 8 carbs. So I'm gonna put that in here for her. And I've got a balanced, healthy lunch that was relatively easy to put together.